Handling time tracking for hybrid work environments can feel like a challenge, but it's actually easier than you might think, especially if you use the right tools and strategies. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to manage time tracking for remote and in-office employees and ensure everything runs smoothly. If you want to follow along, I'll also provide you with an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using. Just check the description below for the link. First, let's talk about why time tracking is crucial for hybrid work. When your team is split between home and the office, it's easy to lose track of productivity, or worse, feel like there's no visibility into how everyone is spending their time. Time tracking helps ensure that employees stay on task, and it provides managers with the insights needed to make data-driven decisions about workload distribution, project timelines, and more. Now, how do you handle it? Start by choosing software that supports hybrid work environments. I've tried a variety of time tracking tools, and the one we'll be using today stands out because it's intuitive and flexible. With this software, you can track time by task, set up automatic reminders, and generate reports that highlight team productivity across different work settings. The key here is flexibility. You need a system that allows employees to track their time whether they're at home or in the office. Look for features like mobile apps, browser extensions, and desktop applications that sync across all devices. This ensures that no matter where your employees are working from, they can easily log their hours. Set clear expectations from the beginning. Employees should know exactly how to track their time and why it matters. In hybrid work environments, transparency is key. Having consistent communication around time tracking, along with clear guidelines for how to use the software, ensures that everyone is on the same page. Once you have your system in place, encourage your employees to track their time regularly. With hybrid work, it's easy to get distracted or forget to log hours, so set up automatic reminders or prompts within the software to keep everyone on track. For example, our software allows you to set up daily or weekly reminders to log time or check in with the team, which helps keep everything organized. If you've got team members working different hours or on flexible schedules, make sure your time tracking tool allows for this. Look for features like time zone support, custom work hours, and shift tracking so that no one feels penalized for having different working hours. This way, everyone's time is accurately recorded, whether they're working during traditional hours or on a different schedule. Another tip is to use the reporting and analytics features that most time tracking software offers. These insights will help you see where your team is spending their time and identify any areas where you could be more efficient. This can also help you adjust workloads and spot potential bottlenecks before they become a problem. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to handle time tracking for hybrid work environments. Remember, the key takeaway here is to choose a tool that provides flexibility for both employees and managers, allows for easy tracking no matter where your team is, and offers insights to help optimize productivity. To recap, make sure you pick the right software that supports hybrid work, set clear expectations, encourage regular time tracking, and utilize reporting to gain valuable insights into your team's productivity. If you're interested in trying the software we've discussed today, don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below. Thanks for watching, and good luck handling time tracking for your hybrid team.